तालीमी ज़ादात की तकसीम होगी। सेक्रेटरी साहब तालीम के
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The names approved for Jalsa Salana Awards by Huzoor Akhtar this year start with our guests, the international candidates. Rashid Ahmed Rashid Ahmed Doraich Saab, Switzerland, Doctor of Sciences, PhD, Zurich, ETH University. Barakallah. Sabahuddin Irfan, Pakistan, first in FSC Bahawalpur Board. Barakallah lakum. Jariullah Majid, Spain, MD, Medical Sciences with distinction, Universidad Autónoma, Madrid. Barakallahu lakum. Shamsheer Ali Sheikh Ali Bakhsh, Suriname. Shamsheer Ali Sheikh Ali Bakhsh Sahib, Suriname, Masters in Education and Research for Sustainable Development. Talha Bashir Sahib, Ghana. Barakallahu lakum. Talha Bashir Sahib, Ghana, M.Pharm, First Class Honours, University College London. Attar Ahmed Bajwa Sahib from Pakistan, Masters in Mass Communication Management, overall GPA of 3.74, third position in his cohort, Superior University, Lahore. Barakallahu lakum. Adil Gilani Sahib from Ireland, BSc Honours, Computer Science, First Class Honours, Galway Mayo Institute of Technology. Barakallahu lakum. Jafar Hussain Sahib of Pakistan, BSc in Mining Engineering, Gold Medalist, University of Engineering Technology, Lahore. Barakallahu lakum. Maulana Ibrahim Nunan Sahib of Ireland, BA Honours, Theology and Philosophy, Theological Studies, Dominican Institute, the first ever Muslim to enter and graduate from the Institute's history. Barakallahu lakum. Rizwan Siddiq, Holland, BBA Honours, Hotel Management with distinction, Stenden University. Barakallahu lakum. Irbaz Hamid, Ghana, 8 A's in senior secondary school examinations and overall second position in all of West Africa, Southeast University. Barakallah. Naimullah Farooq Hamid, Ghana, 7 A's in senior secondary school examinations, Southeast University. Barakallah. Haris Mahmood, UAE, 6 A stars, 2 A's and first in Arabic studies for Dubai Ministry of Education. Barakallahu lakum. Wasim Mahmood Saib, representing his brother Aleem Mahmood Saib, Murabbi Silsila, Ghana, MBA, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, Kumasi. Barakallahu lakum. Muhammad Attar Kalu Saib of France, Masters of Employment Law with distinction, Pantheon Sorbonne University, Paris. Barakallahu lakum. Dr. Abdur Rahim Sahib of Pakistan, MA Sindhi, Gold Medalist, Karachi University. Barakallahu lakum. Osama Abdal Sahib, representing Javeria Abdal Rabbani, LLM, European Law, second position, France, University of Cergy. Barakallahu lakum. Next, we move on to the GCSE candidates. Danial Mirza, Worcester Park, 7 A stars and 4 A's. Barakallahu. Haris Ahmed, Newcastle. Barakallahu alaikum. Haris Ahmed, Newcastle upon Tyne, 10 A stars and 1 A. Barakallahu alaikum. Barakallahu alaikum. Sayyid Ismail Ahmed, Scunthorpe, 6 A stars and 4 A's. Barakallahu alaikum. Rizwan Muhammad, Scunthorpe, 9 A stars and 1 A with a gold medal in the British Physics Olympiad. Barakallahu. Salman Nasir Buttar, Blackburn, 8 A stars and 2 A's. Fawad Ahmed, Aldershot, 5 A stars and 6 A's. Mubasil Chaudhry, Sutton, 8 A stars and 5 A's. Sorab Ahmed Sayed, Southall, 7 A stars and 3 A's. Daniel Chaudhry, 11 A stars. Barakallahu alaikum. Ali Tariq, Manchester West, 7 A stars and 3 A's. Barakallahu alaikum. Azhar Ahmed Bajwa, South Morden, 5 A stars and 6 A's. Barakallahu alaikum. Osama Sardar, New Malden, 8 A stars. Barakallahu alaikum. Shahmir Mirani Baloch, Thornton Heath, 6 A stars and 5 A's. Taimur Ahmed Khan Pasha, Mosque, 8 A stars and 4 A's. Uzairur Rahman Nasir, Worcester Park, 6 A stars and 6 A's. Mohsin Zafar Tooting, 6 A stars, 5 A's and 1 A in A-level mathematics. Barakallahu alaikum. Now we move on to the A-level candidates. Fahim Malik, Birmingham Central, 4 A stars and 1 B. Osama Hamid, Birmingham Central, 3 A stars and 1 A. Hamid Buttar, Blackburn, 2 A stars, 1 A and 1 B at A level. Shazeb Ilahi Hayes, 2 A stars and 2 A's. Barakallahu alaikum. Qasim Salam Putney, 40 points in International Baccalaureate Diploma. Barakallahu alaikum. Sayab Mansoor, Leicester, 4 A's at A level. Damir Rafi Cheem, 3 A stars and 1 A at A level. Ali Zohair Gondal, Scunthorpe, 4 A stars at A level. Next, we have the degree candidates Abdul Ghalib Khan, Manchester North, BSc Mathematics, First Class Honours, University of Manchester. Barakallahu lakum. Musawwir Hayat Mosque, BSc First Class Honours, Accounting and Finance, University of Surrey. Barakallahu lakum. Shahzaib Ahmed Morden, BSc Haematology, First Class Honours, Imperial College London. Barakallahu lakum. Abdul Rafi Zafar Tooting Beck, BEng Mechanical Engineering, First Class Honours, Queen Mary University of London. Mubarak Wasim New Malden, LLB First Class Honours, King's College London. Chaudhry Saadatullah Wala, Newcastle upon Tyne, MSc Power Engineering with distinction and top graduate in his cohort, Northumbria University. Dr. Saqib Ghuman, Manchester North, Fellowship of the Royal College of Surgeons, FRCS, and MSc Urology, University College London. Tariq Hamid, Liverpool, Fellowship of the Faculty of Dental Surgery. Muhammad Ahmed Saib of Lower Morden, PhD in Nanoelectronics, University of Surrey. Musharraf Naveed Khan, Huddersfield, PhD in Organic Chemistry, University of Huddersfield. Ehsan Ahmed Saib of Islamabad, PhD Chemistry, Imperial College London. And finally, Tayyib Ahmed Mansoor Saib of Morden, PhD Pharmacy, Pusan National University of Korea. Jazakallah Hazur, that concludes the presentation.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे आका अल्लाह ताला के फ़ज़ल व करम से इमसाल जामिया अहमदिया कनाडा से 8 तलबा शाहिद का इम्तिहान पास करके मैदान अमल की जानब रवां हुए हैं। इनमें सबसे पहले सैयद रज़ा अहमद शाह साहब। फ़हद अहमद ख्वाजा साहब। अदनान हैदर साहब। अजहर अहमद गोराया साहब। शाहरुख रिजवान आबिद साहब। अब्दुल नूर बातिन साहब। अब्दुल नूर आबिद साहब। इनके बाद इनामुर रहमान साहब हैं जो वीज़ा ना होने की वजह से हाज़िर नहीं हो सके। हुज़ूर अनवर की इजाज़त हो तो खाकसार इनकी सनद हासिल।
अच्छा अमीर साहब, हम पीस प्राइज़ का ऐलान।
Assalamu alaikum, Huzur. As each year we announce at Jalsa Salana the Peace Prize for the year. This year, with the consent of Huzur Aqdas, the Peace Prize has been awarded to Heiner Belafit. He is a 56-year-old professor of human rights and human rights politics at the University of Erlangen-Nuremberg, Germany. Professor Bielefeld received his PhD in philosophy from the University of Tübingen in 1989. He specializes in human rights and human rights politics and is widely acknowledged as an expert in the issue of religious freedom and public policy. He has authored and co-authored over 100 papers on subjects including religious freedom and human rights, access to water, justice and human rights, forced marriages, Muslim minorities in secular law, and human dignity as the foundation of human rights. The professor has investigated and spoken about the relationship between Hindus and Muslims in India and the Baha'is in Iran and the Coptic Christians in Egypt. He has spoken and written about the persecution of minorities in Kazakhstan, and in his report on Pakistan, he raised the issue of increasing attacks on minorities, including Shias, Ahmadis, and Christians. And he has also called for the EU to link its aid to human rights. On the 1st of August 2010, Professor Bielefeld assumed his mandate as the United Nations Special Rapporteur on freedom of religion and belief. From 2003 to 2009, he was the director of German National Human Rights Institution. His research interests include various interdisciplinary facts of human rights, theory and practical, with a focus on freedom of religion and public policy. The Special Rapporteur on freedom of religion or of belief is an independent expert appointed by the UN Human Rights Council to identify existing and emerging obstacles to religious freedom and then present recommendations on ways and means to overcome such obstacles. Professor Bielefeld said in a recent interview in the Diplomatic magazine, "The work on behalf of the minorities is also a service of majorities. The freedom of religion on belief is not just a minority issue, it is really about how to organize coexistence in the spirit of respect. They deserve special attention not because they are special people, but because they are living in a situation of increased vulnerability." His recent report on issues around religious conversion, providing an inspiration for the Operation 18 campaign. Operation 18 mission is to uphold Article 18 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which protects the right of freedom of religion and belief in all its various forms. His passion for defending the rights of all and his work over the past 20 years, his commitment to promoting peace through justice have been recognized widely, and we are honored to announce him as the prize winner of the 2014 Muslim Peace Prize. The prize will be presented to him at the Peace Symposium later on. Jazakallah.